Here's a Lakewood box fan, which I think is a 12-inch fan. This is the second fan that I bought from the gentleman in Sheboygan, along with the Pencrest box fan. I'm pretty sure it's a Lakewood anyway. I guess it doesn't really say Lakewood on it anywhere. It does have a pretty nice sparkle sticker, though. It's like Willy Wonka's golden Lakewood sticker. Uh, it's missing the sticker that would normally be on the bottom of the cabinet, though. There is where it would normally be, and it's no more. The fan's pretty dirty, as you can see, but overall it's in pretty good shape. Still has the stand, which I might end up using for this fan over here, which I kind of like better just because I like the terracotta color and I like the metal blade, and I think that one would probably look better with the stand on it. So I think that's probably what I'm going to end up doing eventually, but I don't know. We'll see. It's not happening right away. Here's the back of the fan. The rear guard is a little warped, I guess. Seems a little warped, and it has cracks around the screws, as many of these do. But it's in pretty decent shape. The motor is super dirty and pretty well clogged with dust. The blades need to be cleaned up. There's a lot of dust on the edge of the blades. I'm not a fan of these plastic blades either. I much prefer the metal blades. But pretty sure it's a Fasco motor. Didn't really take a very good look at that, did I? There is a Lakewood sticker on the motor. So, yeah, it's not going to tell me the fan model number, but there's the motor stamp anyway. Hopefully you can read that. I can't really. Yeah, it looks like the typical Fasco motor information. So I'm not sure about the model number on this one or the date of production. I would guess it's probably late 70s, maybe very early 80s. Here's the plug. Fan runs, but it's a little rough. I noticed that it rattles a little bit here and there, and I think the blade balances off a little bit. Either that or it could just be the guards rattling. I don't know. I just tested it out really quick when I got it home yesterday, but let's see. I guess we'll fire it up on low speed. Yeah, so there's a buzz there at the start. And then it goes away. Shakes a little bit, and then there is a little bit of a guard buzz to it. balance, but it doesn't seem terrible high. So it's a little rough, but it moves pretty good air, especially uh, for having as much dust as it does on the edge of the blades. I think the velocity will be even better once we get that cleaned up. Pretty good spin down. So yeah, it's held up pretty well over the years, I would say. We'll get this one cleaned up. I think it'll clean up really well, with the exception of some of the missing paint on the cabinet. That's not much I can do about that, but aside from that, I think that this will clean up really well, and I might leave the stand on it yet. I don't know. I just think it would serve the other fan better, but we'll see how it turns out. It's the Lakewood question mark on the model number. I'm not sure, but I'm going to go ahead and say that it's a 12-inch box fan. I guess we'll see what the model is on this one. I think the sticker is still, I don't know if it would be the same. So it's S14. Gonna have to research and see if this one has the same model number or not, but I would imagine it does. So apparently it's a 14-inch fan then, by Lakewood. Thank you for watching.